Okay, this is a presentation today on the ShopBot, and what we've done, we have a student that's put his name in there, Barnett, and as far as understanding how the ShopBot works, he's going to go ahead and highlight it in purple, and then he's going to go over to the toolbar and actually ask it to cut a toolpath. He goes to the 2D profile toolpath, and he's going to cut it at about 4 thousandths. And then he's going to calculate it. He's going to go through, and you can see that as he calculates that he can use different bits to do it. Now it kind of lights up there, and he's going to show you a preview of what it's going to look like when it gets cut. Okay, so he's got the Barnett all ready to go. It kind of shows you what it's going to look like to be cut. And then he's going to save his tool path. And whenever you get ready to cut something, you've got to save your tool path, and you've got to save it in the ShopBot program. So now he's doing that, and he's going to save it. Okay, and then he's going to close it. Okay, now we're going to go in, and he's actually opening up several screens here. And one of the screens he's opening up is a ShopBot position screen, and that's what's in the red. And then he's going to save to his, he kind of shows you how the part is going to be laid out. First thing he has to do, he has to center out everything. And but he's going to kind of show you how the centering out works. So first of all, go ahead and close out that file part load, just exit out there. Okay, and then there it shows how you can move the tool. And I don't know if you can see it, but you see an X, you see a Y, and you see a Z. Well, the X is the axis going across, and the Y is the axis in the length, and then the Z is the axis in the depth. So right now he has a ShopBot tool at about 1.701 thousandths of an inch above the product that he's going to be cutting. So let's real quickly look at the product that he's going to be cutting. Kind of introduce you to the ShopBot machine. And this is a ShopBot machine. And as you come over here and look at this ShopBot machine, he's going to cut it. He's going to cut it on this piece of wood right here. Okay, that piece of wood right there. And just for simplicity's sakes, we've taken one board, we put width on it. On the other side, we put height on it. So when we start doing this, one is X, one is Y, and of course the tool kind of goes up and down. Move the tool up and down, Michael, just to show us how the tool kind of goes up and down. Okay, so you can see the tool kind of goes up and down. Alright, also, one of the hardest and most challenging parts is making sure that his piece of wood's not going to move. So we put in these, and what that does, it kind of ties his part in place. And normally it takes 2 or 3 of those, and he's got 3 of them. He's got one at this end, one at that end, and then one at the other end. And it's kind of hard to see there, but okay. Now he's going to go ahead and ask it to do the part. So he's actually taking it and programming the ShopBot machine to actually go ahead and start. Okay, he's turning it on. And it always starts from the center or the 0 axis. So it's zeroed out at this point in time, except for the Z is a little bit higher, and you want it higher so it doesn't cut into your product. Alright, go ahead and hit go so we can just go ahead and start cutting. And the way the ShopBot works, it goes along these tracks, and then it just starts cutting. Barnett, and it'll do it quite accurately. one cut, sometimes it does it